The Maharashtra government has approved the use of homeopathy medicine Arsenicum album 30 for the general population as a preventive measure against COVID-19 and as an immunity booster. A government task force has also come up with a list of Unani and Ayurvedic medicines and even sesame oil as measures against COVID-19. According to reports, the state has begun identifying people aged above 55 years in rural areas to administer Arsenic album 30. The Maharashtra government has reduced the rates of coronavirus tests conducted by private laboratories from Rs 4,500 to Rs 2,200. Rs 2,200 will be charged for collecting the swabs through viral transport media from hospitals, while it would cost Rs 2,800 for collection of swabs from home. Earlier, the charges were Rs 4,500 and Rs 5,200 respectively. The revised rates are the maximum these labs can charge. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi shared 4 graphs corresponding to each phase of the lockdown, showing the steady rise in the number of new coronavirus cases. He has been a critic of the lockdown, saying it has not helped arrest the rising cases. He accompanied the graphs with the quote, "Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results." In the backdrop of a rising number of coronavirus cases in the state, largely due to incoming passengers, Kerala Principal Secretary announced that from June 20th, all private chartered flights departing to Kerala from Middle East countries shall only carry COVID-19 negative passengers. Test certificate must be carried by them, and this rule applies to all flights for which consent letters were issued earlier. With over 11,000 fresh cases, the COVID-19 tally in India rose to 3,08,993 on Saturday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is preparing to hold another round of video conferencing with chief ministers from across states on June 16th and 17th. The second day of the video conferencing set aside for chief ministers from states such as Maharashtra, Delhi, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and others, which are seeing a spurt in cases and death numbers. The Army Chief, General M.M. Naravane, today assured everyone that the situation along our borders with China is under control. He said a series of talks are going on, starting with the Corps Commander level talks, followed by meetings at local levels. As a result of all this effort, he said a lot of disengagement has taken place and differences between India and China will hopefully be put to rest.